Okay, today I will give you the last part of this chapter concerning the victims. Let us suppose that an E be a reflexive Banach space. And M, a closed subspace of E. Then M is also reflexive. That's what. So when you have a Banach space which is reflexive, and we take a substrate which is a closed substrate in this Banach space, then this closed substrate is also reflexive. I'll give you the proof for this one. It's very, very simple, this one. E is reflexive. That means that E is reflexive. Exactly. Then we can identify E to the visual of this one. It's reflexive. You can identify E with its visual, this one. So we take M, which is a closest synonym. So let's prove that we just prove that M here, the ball, this one, the ball is M, is compact. It's compact for the topology. Topology is up. If you prove it, it's called, then you use the properties of capitally and to see that M is also reflexive. Capitally state that when you have a space which is reflexive, if the space is compact, the unit ball in this one is compact for the topology, for this kind of topology. So this one is the unit ball in M. This one is a unit ball in M. This one is a unit ball in M. That means that it contains the element like this one. The fact that the norm or this one has to be equal to this. This one is the unit ball. You can sometimes you can denote it by this. It's very simple. It's the unit ball of 0, but you take in M. And you see not writing this one, you can write this one, which is more simple for you. So let us prove that the unit ball in M, which is denoted by this, is compact for the weak topology sigma M star. Okay. You know already like by Banach space, Banach theorem, from Banach theorem. We say that when you have an E, which is a Banach space, and D, which is a subset of an E, also this one, and we take that D, which is the element of the visual of E, that means that then you can say that D is exactly the resist F sign that this one, on D, when F here is the element of the visual of this one. Then we can suppose, then we can say that this kind of topology like this of E, this one, we can deduce this kind of this one, it is exactly the topology compared with this one. Then if you have M which is close with this kind of topology, that's prove that it is close to this kind of topology. This is the compact for this topology, is compact for this kind of topology. Using this fact. Then you suppose that E is a reflexive. E is reflexive. That means that the unit ball in E is compact. And for the topology, this one, for this E star, this one is compact. The uniball in E, this one you can see usually compact from the theorem of Kaputani. Kaputani. You proved it already, this one. Though this one is compact in for this topology. Then M is closed. Is closed in E. That means that is strongly closed in E. And we say also that M is a vector space. Is a vector subspace. Then from here we can say that M is convex. Then you know only that but if for convex subspace, the weak topology and the strong topology coincide. So we can say that from here that M is also closed. Is closed for also the weak topology like this. The weak topology like this, which is equal to the weak topology of M. Then it's closed. If this one is closed, that means that it closed in something which is already usually this kind of. I will put it in detail here. Okay. So the unit ball is closed in something which is compact, then it's compact, is closed. In B like this, BE, which is compact. Then this one, BM, is also compact. For the topology, this one, which is still the topology on M, sigma M like this. So we have proved that this one is compact for the topology. Then that you can put that means that M is reflexive. Is reflexive. That's because it's a close for the weak topology on M. Then is reflexive. Okay, I'll give you some another corollary of this theorem of this proposition. Okay, what I'm going to tell you now, yeah. This corollary says that a balanced space E is reflexive if only a balanced space E is reflexive if only if the dual is reflexive. This one. If your balanced space is reflexive, the dual is reflexive. If the dual is reflexive, your balanced space is also reflexive. Okay, I'll give you the proof. It's not also difficult.